All right, now you can absolutely solve this question using very traditional algebra just by foiling or distributing these two terms and combining like terms until you get the answer. But if you are not confident with that or you make a lot of algebra mistakes, it's very likely that your wrong answer will show up in one of the choices and you will feel like you did it right and make a mistake without noticing it. So one way around that is to use the arithmetize strategy, which means we can turn our y's into numbers. We're never asked to solve for y, so it really doesn't matter what value we give it. It carries through the question. So being lazy, my first gut instinct would be, what happens if y is equal to 0? Well, all the y's would basically just disappear, and my entire equation would come down to 4 times 0 minus 0 times 9, which is 36. So I'd be looking for an answer choice that also gives me 36 when I plug in 0 for y. Now, unfortunately, we can see we've got a bunch of 36s here, and all the variable terms will cancel out, but it'll only eliminate choice C for us, which would give us 9 if we plugged in 0. So it's not amazing, but hey, it takes 2 seconds and it eliminates an answer choice for us. So I think it's worthwhile. Now from here, all we need to do is pick a new number. And again, being lazy, I'm going to just pick whatever simple number I can think of. And that means now I would make y equal to 1. And when I do that, it's going to turn this equation into some simple arithmetic. 1 plus 4 times 3 minus 2 plus 9. That's much easier to simplify than if I did all this foiling in algebra. So let's see, that's 5 times 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 plus 9 is 10, so that is 50. So now what I'm looking for is an answer choice that also gives me 50. I've got a little bit more arithmetic to do than before, but it's still pretty minimal because these exponents aren't going to matter if y is equal to 1. So let's take a look. Choice A would be 3 minus 2 plus 36. That's just 37, that's no good. Choice B would be 3 plus 10 plus 1 plus 36. Well, 3 plus 10 plus 1 is 14, plus 36 is 50, so that looks nice, but we have to try choice D as well. That would be 3 plus 14 plus 17 plus 36. Even just adding 17 and 36, I can see that I'm way over 50. So that leaves me with choice D doesn't work either, and that leaves me with choice B, which is the answer. So look, that way with arithmetize is absolutely more time consuming. But if it's a decision between being fast and being right, you might want to just choose being right. That's what these strategies let us do, is they let us prevent careless mistakes that would cost us questions, cost us points that we don't really want to lose. So choose the strategy that's going to maximize your points.